So first I should thank management of Dream University, HOD of the department and faculties of Dream University for giving me this opportunity to give a talk on this topic. So the main title of the FDP is microgrid, but my title is something different. So how it is related? How the electric vehicle and microgrids are interrelated. So microgrid means what? So it is a small scale power grid, not large scale like central grid or national grid. It is small scale power grid where there is renewable energy and some storage element and it is connected to the grid. Okay, so sometimes it may be a 10 kilowatt or 100 kilowatt system. But till now, IEEE doesn't have any standard for smart grid or this microgrid kind of things. So that is in draft form. It's not yet analyzed what should be the standard for this type of grid system. But for national grid, there is a IEEE standard. Okay. So in microgrid, electric vehicle is like a storage system because it has a battery. Whenever you are not using the battery, so it can be connected to the your grid. Okay. But why nowadays everyone is talking about smart grid, microgrid, renewable energy? What is the reason? So if we go back 2021, COVID, all these things. What is the reason? From where we are getting the virus?
From air.
So from different animals. That is because of climate change, other things. So now what happens? What is happening? You see from 1970 to 2020, if you see last 30 to 40 years, this population of birds, fish, reptiles, how it is declining. So after some years, only human being will be there in this planet, nobody else. So then our ecosystem will be unbalanced. Okay. So what is the solution for that? So this is the problem we are facing now, global warming. So based on this, we have different causes and these are the effect we are going to face in next 20 to 30 years. By 2050, if we are not taking any action now, finally we will fight each other. Okay. So looking into this, so who is responsible actually for this? Politicians? These people? Adani, Ambani? Who is responsible? All of us responsible. That means, as an electrical engineer, we should do some contribution to this planet. Okay. So that is the research going on now. Based on this, these are the SDG goals, as been defined by World. We have some like a World Health Organization and World Wildlife Fund (WWF). That fix some goal. That is in every field, not only electrical engineering, in every field, but climate action is number 13. Okay. So for climate change, as an electrical engineer, what will be your contribution? So in 13, what it is saying, you have to keep fossil fuels in the ground, invest in renewable energy. So my topic is on electric vehicle. Okay. By 2050, our power generation should be 100% from the renewable energy. It has been started already, and India is doing better. But other countries, what they are doing? They are fighting each other. They are making wars. Okay. So these are the different solutions for that. So now many people they are working on electric vehicle and microgrid kind of things. So as a researchers, we have to work on this. Okay. So in IC engine, So what is the problem with the IC engine? You already know this. Okay. So these are the different problems if you are using any gasoline engine. So there will be pollution, carbon dioxide generation. Or what is with EV? EV is very clean. There is no pollution. But whatever standard you are maintaining now, that is not enough. Okay, it is not comparable with your diesel or IC engine. So how to make comparable with that? So you will see electric vehicle is not new. Long back, 200 years before, people they developed this. It has a motor, battery and controllers, and we are able to try that. But those days there was no climate model. Okay, when they developed this EV, those days climate was good. But why they stopped? Because our diesel and petrol engines are better, or fronts are better than this technology. Because those days there was no DSP, no FPGA, no motor control, no artificial intelligence. Okay, but other engine they are able to talk about this. But present day we see, so you not be fooled by this simplicity. This electric vehicle is not very simple things, very complicated. Okay, so first they develop like this. Then there is controller, charger, 12-volt battery, and some AC motors. Okay, in the next stage. Then after that, power reference gate. So they use some power converters, converted into DC to AC. Okay, and they used AC motors. Then after that, present we have this system. If you are taking your electric vehicle something like this, then you can sell in the market and people can use it. Okay, but what is the problem? It's very costly. You cannot afford it. A common man cannot afford this vehicle. That is why we will not find on the road. Still people they are using petrol and diesel engine. So you can see that for controlling all these, you need what? You need power source. That is battery or fuel cell or supercapacitor. But how to control this? Interface with your load, you need a power converter. Okay? So people should work on this power converter technology. What is that technology? So power converter is a vast thing. Okay? If you are electrical engineering, might have studying those subjects: electric drives, power electronics, semiconductor devices, and how to control that. So you will see in future, now government is recording all this. Because of this reason, limited fuel consumption. You can see that one car, how many liters is using totally.